8:05 p.m. At 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National...
I'm sorry, go ahead. The weather alert interrupted.
What's your location so I can triangulate?
37th Street, east of Highway 85, approximately 2 miles.
Okay, so what you're seeing is the mid-level directly above the head.
I'm unsure of that. It's widening out and no longer looks like a V shape. I'm probably 20 miles to the southwest of this.
On what angle is seen, it is dissipating, and there have been 2 or 3 of those that have kind of formed and gone back up. They're pretty high up, though.
Yeah, that's a wall cloud then. Okay, then what I'm seeing that controls a wall cloud. N0 AOL.
Copy that, K0 ESP, and right now I'm seeing the worst part of this is over Kersey, Gill, and the top of it extends right up to just about Gailton, and it's still tracking northeast. And see if I can get you a speed here, K0 ESP, 1 second. Cell is moving at 33 miles per hour according to radar. Brake. Go ahead, brake. Yeah, WXRD and National Weather Service Boulder. Severe thunderstorm warning for central Weldonville 8:45, 8:15. Radar indicates severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. Storm is located 4 miles west of Gill or 8 miles east of Greeley, moving northeast at 35. Locations include but are not limited to Lucerne, Kersey, Gill, Gailton, Barnesville, and eastern Greeley. WXRD and National Weather Service Boulder.
Oh wow, look at that.
Okay, thank you very much, DEN. This is K0 ESP net control. 00 Bravo Sierra.
I'm right underneath the edge of it. That's beautiful.
Go ahead. We'll arrive at the station, so we'll sign clear from mobile, along with the temperature MPC. So we're here. Okay, do you want me to go ahead and check you out? Check me out the station there. Okay, so you and MTV, I'll have you out at 8:20 p.m. Thank you very much. And looks like this storm is just east of you guys now, so I think everybody there should be safe. K0 ESP net control. WOZ. Station calling, go ahead with traffic.
The National Weather Service.
WOZ, I'm at 74 and County Road 45, just kind of on the back edge of it. There's definitely some lowering. I'm just kind of stopping to watch here and see if I see any rotation.
Indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter.
Okay, can you give me your call sign again slowly and your location? I want to make a note of this. K0 ESP.
Moving northeast at 35.
That's November 0, Whiskey Oscar Zulu, and I am at County Road 74 and County Road 45, just west of Gailton.
Preparedness sections. This storm has a history of producing.
Okay, from what I'm seeing on radar, you're right at the north part of the severe part of the storm, and yeah, keep a real close eye. If you see something, call out right away. K0 ESP.
From creek beds and other flood-prone areas. Remember,
Net control AOL.
storm can produce large damaging hail.
Go ahead, AOL.
Winds in excess of 58 miles per hour.
Yeah, just as soon as I could report it, another one of those lowerings came down in the shape of a V and dissipated yet again, approximately 25 miles 20 miles northeast of my location.
Okay, appreciate the report there, and let me know if anything pops up, because on radar, this thing still looks like a pretty nasty quote.